Okay. Well, once in a while, our browser gets rid of our passwords, and so it's nice to have a backup of those passwords. So in Chrome, up here in the top right hand corner, you see three little vertical dots. Those are called the hamburger menu. Click on that hamburger menu, go down here to settings. In settings, there's a search box up here. Default to it, just type in their pass, and you'll see the password manager. Go ahead and click on that. It opens up your password manager, and you will have quite a few passwords down here. I have a password saving program, so therefore none of my passwords save. I use RoboForm for that. So, anyways, but I want to help you save your password. So again, the hamburger menu, these three little vertical dots, click on it. Click Export Passwords. It says passwords will be available. That's okay. Export it. Sometimes you will need to put in the PIN or whatever it is for your login for your computer. So there's mine. It will automatically bring up the save as. Now mine happened to save to documents. I think that that's a default, so you should be okay. So now what I like to do is I leave the Chrome passwords out there and I put in the date that I do that, the month and the year, click save. That's it. That's all you got to do. If you happen to lose your passwords, go through the same process here, click the hamburger menu, and import those passwords. And then you'll get those back in there again. Okay? So that's how you end up saving and recapturing those passwords.